Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Bank of America app. First, open the Bank of America app and log in using your credentials. Next, tap the menu or profile or settings option, depending on your app version. These might be under More, Account Maintenance, or just Settings. Now, look for the section to update your mobile number. Enter your new phone number, and some versions may ask for your debit card number to verify your identity. Once that's done, you'll receive an OTP via SMS to your new number. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change. After verification, your number should be updated immediately, but sometimes it may take a short while to take effect. And that's it. That's how to change your phone number on the Bank of America app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.